Growing up in Asia, we've all heard the same advice. Be smart, play it safe and aim for stability. I heard the same advice, but I took a different lane. I became a stunt driver, turning my passion into a profession. Through practice, patience and perseverance. It's unconventional, but it's anything but reckless. So buckle up and enjoy the ride. I've always liked cars, BMX and freestyle sports. And that love grew as I got older. I took a leap of faith, and I've been doing this for 15 years. My mom had her concerns, because it's a dangerous job and a risky career. But my friends have always supported me, right from my early competition days till today, for over a decade. I'd be lying if I said I've never considered a 9-to-5 job. But I love seeing my stunts on the big screen and the thrill of figuring out a tricky stunt. I've driven to Malaysia in the middle of the night just to figure out a move that I couldn't quite visualize. I'm entirely self-taught, so I love the challenge.
Do you have a favorite stunt or a signature move?
Yes, my signature move is the Ghost Driver. I can show you.
So what advice would you give to the younger generation deciding what to do in life?
Do what your heart desires and not what your wallet craves. You have to have a game plan to chase your dreams. Work hard and carve out opportunities for yourself just like I did.